In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads account without Campaign. We'll walk through the on-screen flow Google provides so you can get your account set up confidently, even if you're not ready to run ads yet. Don't worry, simply moving through these screens doesn't spend money. Charges occur only when a campaign is actually running and eligible to show. Start by going to the Google Ads website and accessing your account. If you're new, you'll be prompted to get started. Click Create to begin. Google's setup wizard is campaign-centric, so you'll see an option to create a campaign. Click Campaign to move forward. This is how Google initializes your account and presents the core settings. Next, select an objective. Objectives tell Google what you care about most, things like sales, leads, or website traffic, and they influence which settings and recommendations you'll see. Choose the option that best reflects your plans, even if you're just exploring. You can adjust your approach later. After that, select a campaign type. For example, search focuses on text ads in Google search results, display shows visual ads across websites, and video runs on platforms like YouTube. Pick the environment that aligns with how you eventually want to show up to customers. You'll then select ways you'd like to reach out. This could include directing people to your website, encouraging phone calls, or prompting visits to your physical location. These choices help tailor the next screens, so select what's most relevant to your business. Click Continue to proceed. You'll be asked to enter a campaign name. Choose something clear and descriptive, like your business name and the goal or channel. This is for your reference only and won't be shown to customers. Click Continue again, and then follow the prompts on your screen until you create your campaign. You'll typically see options for locations, languages, daily budget, bidding, audiences, and creative assets. Take your time to read the brief explanations beside each field. They're helpful. Set your location to where your customers are, keep your budget comfortable while you're learning, and name ad groups and assets clearly so you can stay organized later. When you reach the end of the guided flow, your account is now established. You can review your settings, save your work, and decide when or if you want to make anything live. Think of this process as laying the foundation. Your account is ready, and you remain in full control of when ads actually start serving.